Hey friends, this is my 1 of 100 product reviews. In today's video, I will be reviewing Txtr by Cantu. This is the apple cider vinegar and tea tree soothing shampoo. It fights dryness and soothes itching, sulfate and paraben free. Treat, it's time to cool, calm, and cleanse. Hey, my name is Beth. If we haven't met already, welcome to my channel. I am the owner of Girls with the Curls, a mixed kids curly hair tips, tricks, and advice channel for parents of curly kids. So in getting to the shampoo, it is really great. I really do enjoy the shampoo. It gently soothes the scalp. It does remove buildup. It leaves the natural oils in curly hair, which is so important. Her hair came out super soft and it just is so refreshing to the scalp. It's kind of like a tingling feel. Now, there is no silicone, no sulfate, no mineral oils, and no parabens, which means it is curly girl friendly product. So the benefits that are listed on the bottle, it has apple cider vinegar, which helps to remove impurities from the scalp and hair, shea butter, which hydrates and nourishes, spearmint oil, which soothes dry scalp, tea tree oil, which promotes healthy hair, oat kernel extract, comforts and soothes, and aloe, which detangles and smooths. So this has an awesome applicator at the top. It's got this pointy tip, and all you have to do is push it through to the scalp gently. And if you've watched my other videos, you know that shampoo is only made for the scalp, not for the actual hair. So I'm using my finger, not my fingertips, but the pads of my fingers to really massage my daughter's scalp to ensure that the product is removing all buildup from her scalp. And if you guys are finding this video helpful, I really would appreciate if you subscribe to our channel. We plan on doing 1 of 100 product reviews, so there's so much more to come. And then give us a thumbs up. That way you let the YouTube algorithm know that this content has been useful for you. We really greatly appreciate it. So now I'm just continuing to see what product I have on her scalp. Maybe I need more. And a lot of times just to activate the product, you might need to add some water. Sometimes we just go adding more and more product when it's the product plus water that really makes the ingredients work. And I want to quickly go over the directions on the bottle. You want to wet hair completely, massage hair in the beginning at the root and work toward the ends. Lather, then rinse thoroughly with cool water. And also it says for styling tip, best results, you want to use Txtr by Cantu, their complete line. So I'm just working the product in her scalp. So after that, you want to go ahead and rinse. And of course, the directions are great, but you also have to know what works for your curly hair or your child's curly hair. Now, I'm actually going to use warmer water to rinse out Kirsten's hair because following the shampoo, of course, I'm going to use conditioner. And her hair strands need to be open because she has low porosity hair. And that can only be done with warm to kind of hot water, at least a hot temperature that's comfortable for a child. And that opens the hair follicle strands because conditioner is going to be followed up by this shampoo. And it's so important to make sure all the shampoo has rinsed out of her hair. And also when you're rinsing, the rest of that shampoo is going to follow through the rest of the strands to the end, and that cleanses the hair just enough that it needs to be because curly hair gets really dried with shampoo. So I just want to go over some final pros and cons of this product. But first I want to make note of our free curly hair guide, the guide to all you need to know. It's completely free. Just go in the link in the description box below and you can sign up for your free guide. And we've got so much information in this guide. It is just jam-packed. So get your free copy. That way you can get all of our tips, tricks, and advice on curly hair. It is really good. I do love this shampoo. I love the ingredients, especially if you are dealing with dryness or itchy scalp. I don't like that the product is really runny, that it seems like you need to add a good amount of product to get a lather. And I do love the tip, the applicator tip, because with shampoo, you want to go straight for the scalp, not necessarily on top of the hair. Another pro of this product is it is a drugstore shampoo, which means it is very cost friendly. You can purchase it Anywhere on Amazon it's at $10 right now. The drugstore is $13 to $14. So it is a great price for what you get. I think another pro is you can use it while your child has braids still in their hair. So if you need to do a midweek wash, you can still use it because the nozzle targets directly at the scalp. Another great thing is that it's really refreshing and it has a great smell. It's not overpowering, but it's a perfect refreshing smell. Overall, Texture by Cantu Apple Cider Vinegar plus Tea Tree Soothing Shampoo is definitely a good buy. It's a great shampoo and I would buy it again. It's great for all hair types. It's really soothing, smells great, and I would definitely buy again. So I hope you enjoyed this review. Thank you guys. Please subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and let us know in the comments if you will be buying this shampoo or if you've already tried it. Help the community out by leaving a comment below and let us know what you liked or disliked about the shampoo. And we'll see you guys in the next video. This is number 1 of 100, and I can't wait to show you some more great products for curly girls. Talk to you later. Love ya. Bye.